Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps section, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on apps, so the second option. And right here we will have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and as you can see here, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in this HONOR device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.